Assalamu alaikum everyone. A very warm welcome to my channel. This is simply me. I hope everyone is good and doing good with their lives. So today I have decided to share some of my best kept secrets and which is very helpful for me and I hope it will help you too. So let's get it started. Tip number 1. Look for lamb chops with a nice marbling of fat. This fat not only adds incredible flavor but also helps keep the meat tender and juicy during cooking. Tip number 2. Create a flavorful marinade. This is where the magic happens. Combine all your favorite herbs, spices, and aromatics in a bowl. Whatever you like yogurt, ginger garlic paste, bihari kebab masala, chili flakes. Well, the recipe I used and which is the best is on your screen. Tip number 3. Allow your lamb chops to marinate at least for 2 hours or even better overnight. This gives the flavor a chance to really penetrate the meat, resulting in a more flavorful and tender bite. Tip number 4. Before you even turn on the stove, ensure everything is measured, chopped, and ready to go. This is not only saves time but also makes cooking a seamless, stress-free experience. So for that, making chops and garlic rice and salmon, I'm preparing everything. I'm going to cut and chop every ingredient. For garlic rice, I marinated lamb chops and later I'm gonna marinate salmon. Now let's talk about the master art of seasoning. Salt isn't just salt, it's a key of unlocking flavors. Season in layers, tasting as you go, to achieve that perfect balance that will make your taste buds dance with joy. Well, I have shared my way of making salmon with you. The ingredients are on the screen for you. Now let's talk about heat control. Different dishes call for different temperatures, whether it's a gentle simmer for sauces or a blazing sear for that perfect steak or lamb chops. Knowing your heat levels ensures culinary success. Make sure to drizzle only 1 tablespoon of oil as I brush the oil on the pan because lamb chops already contains fats, and make sure whenever you are using lamb mince, mutton mince, chops, steaks to use because while cooking it naturally releases its fats in the form of oil. So if you add so much oil, it becomes greasy, and so much oily it will makes difficult to eat, and as usual it is not good for your health. So make sure to use to make more delicious food. And finally, rest and enjoy. Once cooked to your liking, let your lamb chops rest for a few minutes. This allows the juices to redistribute, ensuring a tender and juicy bite with every forkful. There we have it. Follow these steps for marinating, and I promise you will never regret it. These lamb chops and salmon tips and tricks really works, and get ready to impress your family and friends. So these are the small tips and tricks that I usually so happy use cooking when to you. Cooking. And I would love to share with you guys. So I hope you will try this, some of them. And now I'm gonna enjoy my food with my family, and they definitely loved it. After that, there is a massive utensils to watch, and I hope you like the videos. For that, you have to subscribe my channel, hit the like button, and share with your friends. Till then, Allah Hafiz.